Hello NinjaTraders. Today we are going to show you how to use Alert Diapazon Indicator, available exclusively for NinjaTrader. First, as always, download the indicator from our website and follow the instructions as the PDF says. Once you're done, go ahead and open the chart you want. Open the Indicator tab and select Alert Diapazon. Select the alert sound you want and go ahead and set the indicator up as you like. Once you are done, click Apply. Click the drawing tool and select Region Highlight Y. Choose at what price you want to receive an alarm notification, both for short and for long. Once the candlestick reaches that value, the notification sound will inform you so you can stay ahead of market movements. A very easy to use indicator made for day traders. Download it and never miss a trading opportunity again.